Hello friends, today's topic, don't want loss, then follow this SIP rule. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. A few days back, we mentioned in our breaking news video about new SEBI guidelines for people who discuss and analyze stocks in public domain. SEBI has issued guidelines to encourage retail investors to do their own research and invest. As per the new guidelines, people are not supposed to discuss any specific stocks since as per SEBI, by discussing direct stocks, investors may get influenced to invest or not invest in those stocks. Even discussing fundamental analysis of stocks is not to be done. As per the rules, only general finance topics and information about Nifty index can be shared. We are reviewing and studying the rules as of now. Apart from breaking news video, now and then we may make some videos on general news and updates on stock market. A common question in many investors' mind may be whether to stop their SIP and restart later when markets are lower. We will present some statistics of various indices as compiled by Motilal Oswal Company. Read the data and the associated comments very carefully. SIP statistics of various indices 5 years. Nifty 100, minimum returns minus 5.9%, average returns 11.8%, maximum returns 21.5%, probability of loss only 1.1%. Nifty mid cap 150, 5 years, minimum returns minus 8.4%, average returns 16%, maximum returns 34.7%, probability of loss 2.2% only. Nifty small cap 250, minimum returns minus 18.2%, average returns in 5 years 13.8%, maximum returns 36.7%, probability of loss 11.7%. Now going to SIP statistics of various indices 7 years. That was 5 years, this is 7 years. Nifty 100, minimum returns minus 0.8%, average returns 11.3%, maximum returns 18.1%, probability of loss 0.6%. Nifty mid cap 150, minimum returns 0.4%, average returns 15.3%, maximum returns 27.3%, probability of loss 0%. Nifty small cap 250, minimum returns minus 7.3%, average returns 12.7%, maximum returns 27.7%, probability of loss only 5.8%. We made this video particularly because many people are putting comments in the YouTube saying that they invested for the last 6 months, they are under loss. It is to be understood that if you are doing SIP, the minimum duration should be 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, etc. to make sure that you are under profits always. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 years, you may or may not get profits. Though you may get profits, it could be very less percentage. Now, I am giving you the statistics, SIP statistics of various indices, 10 years. Nifty 100, minimum returns minus 2.8%, average returns 11.5%, maximum returns 15.7%, probability of loss completely gone down to 0. Nifty mid cap 150, minimum returns plus 4.6%, average returns 15.9%, maximum returns 22.5%, and probability of loss 0%. Nifty small cap 250, minimum returns minus 1.8%, average returns plus 13.3%, maximum returns plus 21.3%, and probability of loss 0.8%. Here are the important points to note. Number 1. The data compiled is for 20-year period from April 2005 till date in 2025. 2. The data is for a specific indices and not for individual stocks. The similar data may hold true for good stocks but not all stocks. Similarly, it may hold true for good mutual funds too. Number 3. So, if your analysis and management of stocks and mutual funds is good, a long term of 10 years or more is likely to be profitable for investors. 4. For investors who have a shorter waiting period or don't have too much time due to requirement of money within the next 5 years or so, equities may not be the best option. So you need to invest accordingly. 5. In bear phases, you must concentrate on the quantity of stocks or units of the mutual funds you are buying. The value of the investment may be falling due to the falling stock markets. However, after 1 or 2 or 3 years, when markets recover, your corpus will appreciate well. 6. So, stopping SIPs, SEPs is not a good idea as long as they are in good mutual funds and stocks. But review the stocks you hold, make sure that you are confident of their good long performance. Many stocks, companies look very good in bull phases, but their business performance becomes weak in bear phases. So be aware of this and monitor the news about these stocks regularly. I am hoping that large number of people will see this video because we are posting this video after a long time. In spite of the fact that we have posted it after a long time, if people are not going to see it, then I understand that they may not be requiring any more videos in the future from our side. End of the video is a question. Do you plan to continue your SIPs? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.